Maintenance man here with another cool, cheap lighting idea. Would you believe that this is $12? So what is it? It's a COB panel. It's a thin piece of aluminum with LED chips on the board. It's used in automotive applications to light a trunk or light the inside of a car. Look at how nice it works on a grip arm. So I've wired it up to a variable power supply, and it goes down from 3 volts on up to about 15, which would be automotive voltage. So we can vary it down, and up, just by turning the knob. This is about $10. The light's about $12. I did have to solder the ends together, put a plug on it, but basically this is what you get. Now this one is $17, and it came with a remote. The problem that we have is this little controller unit is creating a frequency which gives us flicker. If it's 100% bright on the remote, it's fine, but as you start to dim it, you're going to start seeing flicker. We weren't able to deal with the flicker on all of our cameras, so it's kind of useless with the remote, and it's $5 more, so you don't really need it. The remote is nice because you do have different modes where you can do flashes and different things, but what good is flashing if you have a rolling shutter? So rather than using the remote with a power supply, we went ahead and got a variable power supply that is just on a little potentiometer, and you can vary it. It's supposed to have the same amount of light as a 350 watt halogen light. Yeah, it's not that bright, but it is pretty bright. So let me turn on the regular lights and show you how it works. So the obvious advantage of this light is that it's thin. I mean, it's a simple little thin piece of paper. You could put it on a clipboard, you could put it in a drawer, you could put it anywhere, and it gives you quite a bit of light. There's a hole right here, and I ran a 1/4-20 tap through that hole, and then threaded on a 1/4-20 ball head. So I've got this little ball head, and that just screws right in there, and that's how we put it onto the end of a stand, on the end of a grip arm. So just a standard ball head, thread it onto it, and that gives you a 1/4-20 connection. I can thread it onto grip arm. Now with the ball head, I can tip it up here, any position here, plus I can spin it around. So it gives me virtually unlimited ways that I can point that light. And that's a pretty cool, super light, pretty cool light for $12. I mean, you could put it down on a surface and you wouldn't even see it in the shot. It's so thin. Now, we're running it on a variable power supply. You could run it on a V-mount battery. We had it hooked up to a V-mount battery. That was fine. $12, I mean, you're looking for lighting options and neat ideas and different things that you can do. $12, a couple dollars for a ball head, $10 for a dimmer. Tell me as a filmmaker you can't figure out something to do without light. Would you believe that this is $12? Now I do.
Yeah. And that's why it's for $12.
And that's why it's $12.